Hi, this is Ted Land, Isaac from the Love Boat. This is coming from your cruise directors and me, Ted Lange, your cruise director, Nikki, Courtney, and Meg. And they want me to ask you for, on the occasion of the Family Center's Love Boat themed fundraiser, they want me to ask you to help make a donation. So I'm telling you, pick up your phones, or you can scan QR code on the back of the program that you have, or text LOVE 2022, and you text that to the numbers 41444. They're trying to raise $25,000, and you can help by giving generously. Dig into your pocket. It's summertime's coming up, and we should try to do something for those less fortunate than ourselves. Thank you.